On Thursday night, Dwayne Sanders was convicted of 15 child sex abuse counts, including a count of aggravated child rape.
Sanders had been a first-grade teacher out at Wallace A. Smith Elementary School when multiple children came forward, said they'd been abused by him. News 12's Nick Hill covered the trial from start to finish, and we asked how you can spot the signs to prevent child sex abuse. Nick.
The heroic seven. This is what Hamilton County District Attorney Cody Wamp is calling the 7 little boys who were inside of Dwayne Sanders' first grade classroom, where they say they were inappropriately touched by Sanders. After Sanders' conviction, we spoke with General Wamp, who says that this case should raise the eye of all parents.
And it was honestly sort of miraculous to watch how each of them would look Dwayne Sanders right in the face and sit there and tell the jury what he did to them. And I can't imagine being 8 years old and being able to do that.
She says that preparing young children for court is a process that requires patience.
Unlike other cases, you have to spend time getting to know the children, and the children have to get to know you. And it wasn't just one child, it wasn't just 2, it was 7 in this case.
She also shouted out the Children's Advocacy Center, who conducted the forensic interviews in this case.
Well, I hope that the county's paying attention to this for the purpose of the CAC. It's not just important, it's invaluable.
She, along with RAIN, the nation's largest anti-sexual violence hotline, hope this case can help educate on the signs of child sex abuse.
Trauma, like genital trauma or STIs or something like that, behavioral changes, expressing excessive knowledge about sexual topics or secrecy, withdrawal, emotional signs, dips in self-esteem.
General Wamp also says this should be a wake-up call for parents on who is watching their children.
A large majority of child sex offenders are males. That's just a statistic. Be aware. You need to overly explain to your kids what is proper touching and what is improper touching, and there is not an age that is young enough to go ahead and talk to them about that.
General Wamp confirms that due to Sanders being convicted on aggravated rape of a child, he will be sentenced to life without the possibility of parole, as the state cannot seek the death penalty in this case. Reporting from the Hamilton County Courts Building, Nick Hill, News 12.